हां, कालच्या लेक्चरला काय प्रॉब्लेम होती? फातिमा, पंकज समझा कल का लेक्चर? वॉइस येते का माझी? बोला पंकज, मेघा, बोला कोणीतरी. बरं लेक्चर स्टार्ट करूया. हॅलो, वॉइस येते का? हॅलो.
Hello everyone. So after the point of parts and LAN, local area network, web server, web browser, web page development we have seen in my previous lecture. So now let's see the next point, that is MOS. Okay, it is nothing but Microsoft Microsoft Office. S is SharePoint server. Okay, SharePoint server. So we have to see this point in today's session. So Microsoft Office SharePoint server is robust and feature-rich okay application. It allows one to take organization information and maintain it in one centralized location. This is accessed through a web browser by the members of the organization. It brings together various technology into the signal integrate platform. It is supporting all internet. Okay, this Microsoft Office supporting the all internet, extranet, and web application. In where you are using in your app also, right? As an app also in your mobile also, it's supporting in all internet and in application web browser. Okay, by the member of that organization. It brings together various technology into single integrated platform. It is supporting all internet, okay, extranet and web application in one platform. It helps simplify the everything everyday task, thereby improving overall productivity. So it's helped to simplify the everyday tasks you are using this. So I think so you are familiar with this, right? So future of this okay, so here some features are there. So control this the future of MOSS, that is Microsoft Office SharePoint server. So first feature is that control the control access. Okay, so this is the first feature here. So here in this MOSS, that is Microsoft Office server SharePoint server, is established, customize the document and management policies. So it is developed to customize the document and manage the policy by applying access rights on documents. Okay. So it established for which purpose? To manage the policy. Okay. Access can be managed at the pre-item level. Also, okay. So second is the central management. Central management. Central management. Okay, I'll write like this, central management here. So in this MOS, that is MOSS, that is Microsoft Office SharePoint server, allows storing and managing all the documents in one centralized location. So in centralized location we can it allow the this that is a this MOS allowed the say means store the centralized location, any data, all data. So documents locating become easier. If you store in centralized location, then if you want again, then you will easily get this data because it's locate the centralized location. So document locating become easier. It also allow one to manage how one data is stored. Setting can be modified to establish, okay, policy and new content types and workflow. So this is we are using centralized management to store the data in centralized location. Okay, so this is the second feature of the MOS, that is the Microsoft Office SharePoint server. So here first features is about the what control the access. So here document management policy by applying the access right on documents. Okay, so then third is the content management. Third is the content management. Content management. So here master page and page layout includes the template which provide consistent look to the content. Most include the feature and provide consistent look to one content. One can also publish content from one area to another. So content management in this master page and page layout included. So included templates. Okay. Why we this included? Because this is provide the consistent look to the content. To provide the consistent look, a master page and page layout are included here in MOS, that is the Microsoft Office SharePoint server. Okay, so MOS include the features and provides consistent look to the one content. One can also publish content from one area to another. Okay, so this is about content management, which is the future of MOS, that is the Microsoft Office SharePoint server. Then next feature is that working across organization. Working across the organization. ORG I'm reading, okay, organization. So here, content created in one part of the organization can be made available to other parts. So here, the content is created in one part of organization can be made available to another other parts of the organization, because those content can be easily integrated into the system and stored in web service or document. This also avoid duplication efforts. So why we are using this is a future, because to avoid the duplication efforts with this content creates one part, organization can be made available to other parts of the organization. Why? Because the content can be easily integrated into the system. Okay, for why this purpose we are using the content across organization, and to store in web service or document libraries, the also avoid duplicates efforts. So improve the business operation. Here the next point is about the improve the business business what operations. Let's see. Okay, so here, apart from allowing one to store, manage, and view documents, MOS, that is a Microsoft Office shares point server, also help to day, means also helps with day to day business operation. For example, MOS allow means Microsoft Office SharePoint server allows, yeah, you can say allows the creating portal that access and display the information one want to specify. Some other features are there like search features, search features. The here this feature search business data. And this is a most improve business operations having the future. This first one is the search futures. So here this future search business data, document, web page, and people. Okay, the search result are more comprehensive and allow decision to be made based on the latest information. So it is the searching the latest information. So this feature is searches business data, documents, and web page. Okay, so search feature is used to searching the business, documents, web page, and people. The search result are more expressive and allow the decision to be made based on the latest information. Then security minded sharing. Okay, the second feature is the security. Okay, sharing. This is the next feature. So here, this feature allows the sharing of information. Search feature is used to searching the people, business, web browser, and any latest information. Okay, so that's why we are using a search feature here in business operation. And security minded sharing, it is a use. This feature allows sharing of information that one actually want to share. Okay, for example, Excel service running on Microsoft Office server, SharePoint server, allow one to share data in real time, but it is not necessary that one must share every that is browser can be used to view interactive Excel. So here separate and one can apply setting so that only required information is shared and not any what properly means only require information we want to mean require information we only can share, not privately information which is not shown to the others, means privacy information will be not shared, only require information which we can share in the public also, right? So collaboration, the these features allow the collaborate with people at partner company. Some other business features are like integrate partner data, work remotely, and personalization. So in collaboration, the three features are there like integrate partner data. So business information collect from the customers and partners can be integrated into the system. The allow including their information in searches. It also enhance the working relationship with client, suppliers, and partners. So this is the integrate partner data is having its enhance the working relationship with clients, suppliers, and partners. So business information collect from the customers and partners can be integrated into the system. So work remotely, one can be Microsoft Outlook to work with mouse, allowing one to access organization of information from anywhere. Personalization here, my site tool can be used by users personalization how they interact with Microsoft Office SharePoint server. My site. So here, just 1 minute. So here in this you can see that what my site. So in my site, this my site. So here, my site future of it is also future of MOS, that is a Microsoft Office SharePoint server, can be used to present business information. This site is used to present the business information about the user, including role, colleagues, manager, work group, skill, and so on. It is include public and private view. Privacy setting allows a user to decide who all can see want information about that user. The information that can be viewed by others include following like workspace. So workspace, this show all the workspace to which user has access. Then links, my links, link of personal link for a user in short. So personalization sites based on user role in the organization content. Then will be personalization. Then colleagues teacher tracker. This feature allow user to track their colleagues by my site change and update. Then Outlook email. The this display users email and calendar information. Then distribution group. This show all the distribution group or to which user belongs when looking. Okay. At the colleagues my site one can see the distribution group one have in common. So this is about my sites, which includes some point like workspace, my link, personalization site, then colleague tracker. Okay. So now the point is about electronic data interchange, that is EDI. electronic electronic data interchange. Okay, so here, okay, so in this electronic data interchange, EDI allows the exchange. Okay, so EDI is allows to exchange of business document in standardized electronic format. Okay, so electronic data interchange is the intercompany, you can say, communication of business document in a standard format. The simple definition of EDI, that is the electronic data interchange, is EDI. Simple definition of EDI is stand electronic format that replace paper-based documents like purchase order or invoice by automatic paper-based transaction, that is a PDF, right? Then automatic paper based means PDF form. Okay, then organization can save time and eliminate errors caused by manual processing that are costly to fix. With EDI, transaction information moves directly from a computer application in one organization, define a location and other information is document format. This automated capability enables that to be shared rapidly instance of hours, days, or weeks required with paper document or other methods. Today, industry use EDI, that is the electronic data interchange, to share a range of document types from purchase order to invoice the request from questions to loan application and more. So, electronic data interchange allows the exchange of business documents in a standardized electronic format between business partners. Here are some benefits of EDI over the paper-based business documents. That is, reduce cost. Benefits like reduce the cost, reduce. Okay, so reduce the cost. Just a minute. Reduce the cost. This is a benefit. Then reduce error, increase the staff efficiency, a secure environment, increase the processing speed, and improve the relationship between business partner. Okay, so here organization and personal organization, like EDS speed process of working with business to business partner. So here, what here points are there, like nuts and bolts. Okay, and bolt. So here, markup language, XML, extensible markup language, XML, extensible markup language, and World Wide Web page, that is okay, World Wide Web are the used to EDI of function. EDI format is majorly used for e-commerce transaction. There are many EDI standards. Some of them are like you can say UNA first, like you can say UN, then EDI fact, UN, EDI fact standard. Okay. So UNA EDI fact. UN is nothing but United Nations. EDI fact, that is the electronic data interchange for administrator. Okay. Commerce and transport. So this is a full form that like this. Let me change the color here. Okay. So U is starting from Nation, United Nations. Then E for electronic, electronic data interchange, data interchange, data interchange for F for administration, administrators. Okay, then C for commerce and transport. Okay, so this is a full form of this. So nuts and bolts having means XML and worldwide are used by EDI to function the point. It's come under these points. Okay, nuts and bolts. So bold, sorry. So here you can say that the XML and World Wide Web are used by EDI, that is the electronic data interchange, to the function. EDI format is a majorly used for e-commerce transaction. There are many EDI standards as follow, like UNEDI fact standard. So UNEDI fact, that is nothing but U for United Nations Electronic Data Interchange for Administrations, Commerce and Transports, is a international standard. Okay, it is an international standard. It was developed by UN, that is United Nations. Set of syntax rules to structure an interactive exchange protocol is provided by this standard. This standard also provides a set of standard message which allow multi-industry and multi-country exchange of electronic business document. So then next is a ANSI. Okay, so next is this one minute. ANSI. Okay, so this is stand for American National Standard Institute. American National Standard Institute. This character and ASC. And ASC. This stands for Accredited Standard Committee. So an X12 to the develop uniform standard for electronic exchange of business. So this is used to the develop the uniform standard for electronic exchange of business transaction between industry. So it is used for the exchange the business transaction between the industry. Then trade comes standard. Then next is the trade come standard. Trade come com standard. So this is the standard was primarily used in UK retail sector. It was maintained and extended by UK Article Numbering Association, NA Article Numbering Association. Then OD, then OD, ODT standard. This is a stand for organization for data exchange, organization for data exchange by yes, tele transmission transmission in Europe. So this is the full form of DODETT. Okay, so in Europe. So ODTT, that is ODT, Organization for Data Exchange by Transmission in Europe, is used within the European automotive industry. It develops tool and you can say recommendation that improve the flow of goods. Then service product that business information across the value chain. So VIC, that is a voluntary inter-industry commerce standard, is used within their tail industry of North America. So this is about the boats and no what This is about this. This comes under this point where it is nuts and okay. So this comes under this point. Then next point is what is the value added network? Okay. So next point is that what is the value added network here? So a value added network. So here value added network is a private network provider hired by company to facilitate EDI and provide other network service like message, encryption, secure email, and so on. A value added network is a used by business to exchange information among each other. The main goal of WAN, that is a value added network, is to facilitate electronic data interchange EDI between business. The WAN sits on the top of the existing common carrier. The carrier provides additional service on top of the infrastructure called value added service. Hence, the name value added network. A value added is a closed network, which means that only members of the network can access the data. WAN, that is a value added networks, are not connected to the wider internet and use different infrastructure. So here it simplifies the communication process by minimizing the number of parties with which company needed to communicate. WAN is a short of an electronic post office where company send transaction to WAN and WAN place that transaction in the receiver mailbox. Receiver contain WAN and pick up a transaction and then sends its own transaction. It is similar to the email with different that is used for standard structured data and not for understand text. WAN provides some additional service like retransmit document, provide support, providing the third party audit service. So WANs having some benefits like alert system. It can alert company to transmission, issue or delivery receipt. Archival storage. It is a store ethical business information for longer periods of time. Audit trailer. It can audit the information about setup, configuration and documents transmission event. Real-time data delivery. It facilitates a real-time delivery of data, thus allowing quicker response to transmission. Then the benefits of WAN, that is a secure and reliable transmission. So it ensures secure transmission of company data. Also data is received by the receipt. So WAN is a closed network, which means that only member of the network can access data. WAN are not connected to wider internet and use a different infrastructure. So type means WANs include the like telecommunication company, in industry group, specialization service provider, and large company. So types of the WANs having some type like there are three types in WAN, like one to one, one to many, and many to many. So here types of WAN here one to one to many, and many to many. This is the WAN, that is a value added network service. So in one to one, the one to one networks is a connection between two business exchanging data. One to many, a signal business connect to multiple. So in one to one, what network is connected between two business exchanging data. Means here two business is connected between two business, one business and two, okay, and exchange the data. So and here the one to many in these, a single business, that is a single business is connecting to multiple other business. So you can see here a single business connected to multiple other business. Example, major retail means connected to each different supplier. Retail, okay, retailer is connected to different suppliers, you know very well. Okay, so this is a, you can say the example. Then many to many. So here multiple business connect to one another. This is the most common type of network used in the financial market, since there are many market participate connected to each other via single venue. So this is about the van that is nothing but the what value added network. So with the help of value added network, the business can connect it to each other. One business connected to another business, that is sharing information between them. Yeah, exchange the information. Then one to many, one business can connect it to the many business like retailer. Okay, then many to many, many business connected to the other business. So this is about the van. So in upcoming lecture we will see what EDI benefits. Okay, benefits of EDI and some diagram. Okay, so today's lecture over here. Thank you. Just 1 minute.
Okay. Any problem? Akshata, Fatima, Akshay, Prakar, ये लगा है हाँ? Yes, 7 लेक्चर समजला? बोला?
हो मॅम.
Okay, leave. You can leave now.